Welcome to the USA Fireworks, how to use the Clover POS system. Today we're going to talk about how to use Clover, the POS system, and Homebase to clock your time and make schedules. The first thing you're going to need to do to start out on Clover is add new employees. So if you have admin access, then you are able to add new employees. So what you do is go to your Clover Home and click on the Employees tab. Once you get there, to add a new employee, you press the green Add New Employee button. And at that point, you can put in their full name. In this case, Ruby Fire. And then the nickname should automatically appear. It will be their first name and then their last name initial, Ruby F. And then you'll wait to, you will not add the email address at this point. This gives access to Clover, and employees will want access only to Homebase. So you will not put any email in when you're creating the employee on the Clover system. The last thing you'll need, last two things you'll need are the PIN number. In this case, Ruby's is going to be 759957. This just has to be a 6-digit number that's unique to this employee. And the last thing you're going to need is their role. This will be employee, and then you save, and should be added to your Clover system. After adding the new employee, what you're going to need to do is add the employee to Homebase. This is what managers use to create schedules, and employees are going to use this to access their schedule as well as request shift changes and things like that. So what you're going to do is go to the Clover homepage and go to the Time Clock app by Homebase. And once you're there, you're going to go to the left of the screen and go to Team. And there you'll see the list of employees that you have. You'll notice that the employee that you just created is not going to be there. And to make that happen is you're going to need to press this Add Employee button here. And at that point, it'll ask you to either add it manually or import from Clover. Since we just added the Ruby Fire to the system on Clover, we're going to click Import from Clover. And it should sync and should allow you to see the new employee that you created. And after you had imported it, you should see the new employee, Ruby Fire. And once she shows up on this list, you go ahead and click her name. And at this point, you're going to put in her email. And this will give her, send her an invitation to see the schedule for Homebase. And you can go ahead and save that and send them an invite. And that should send their invite directly to their email.